Are you gonna help me do the puzzle? Yeah, you're gonna help me do the puzzle today? Yeah? Who's my beautiful girl? What are you doing up there, buddy? Yeah, you helping me with the puzzle? Miss? What do you want? This wrap bag? What? I'm going to sit up here too. Are you helping me? Yeah, I'm trying to sort it out. Right? Yeah, I'm trying to sort out all the puzzle bits. Right? You gonna help, buddy? Come on. Come on, then. You come help? You help with the puzzle? Did you tell everybody we're trying to do a puzzle? Hey? Yeah? Echo's chewing all the puzzle pieces. Hey? Yeah, what are you doing? Yeah, buddy, do you want to have a look? Buddy, yeah? Do you want to have a look? Yeah, you put all the bits together, don't you? Yeah, did that bit go with that bit? No. Oh. Is that so? Do you have a puzzle piece? Pieces? Yeah. I'm going to be missing pieces everywhere. Yeah. Echo's chewing them all. Aren't you, Echo? Hey? Yeah. Say hello, everybody. So welcome to the Buddy Show. Hey, welcome to the Buddy and Echo Show. We're trying to work out a puzzle with Mum today, aren't we? Hey? Yeah. Buddy's chewing all the puzzle pieces. Yes, aren't you? Little rat bags. Hey? Can I have those other pieces back, buddy? What you doing, pretty girl? Yeah, hello, darling. Are you getting all the puzzle pieces? You helping me? Yeah? You helping Mum make the puzzle? We gotta put them together, don't we? Yeah. Make sure you put them all together. Oh, are you breaking all the parts that I've already done? Thank you. No, you can't have any. Did you come back to help me? What about this piece? Do you want a piece, buddy? Yeah, buddy. Is that your puzzle piece? Are you helping? Yeah. You're pulling all the parts I put together. Your little rat bag. Look what you've done to my puzzle piece, you little terror. Yeah? Does it taste good? Yeah. That's pretty good, isn't it? Hey? Yeah, you've got my puzzle piece. Yeah, and Echo just flew off with a piece too, didn't she? You little terror. Did you take off with one of my puzzle pieces too? Yeah, you little rat bag. Look at you. Cheeky girl. Yeah. Oh, you're dancing with Mum. With your puzzle piece in your mouth. Yeah. My beautiful girl. Yeah, you're chewing the whole piece. my puzzle piece. Now I'm definitely going to miss one.